All right, check this out. Learning, all right? So right now, they're looking for the letter. See this? Works with interaction. Teaching tools for kids, perfect. I like that. You get it, look at that. You put in, if you put the wrong one, say for example, you throw in the wrong one, all right? For example, wrong one, all right? So, see? And then it gives you the letter, the correct answer. Digital chip inside. Look at that. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome. What do you need on this one when you get this?
Yeah, all you need is to ready a device, whether it's Apple or like Android. So you should download the application on Google Play or App Store. And these are the things inside the box. Like 54 letters of lowercase and uppercase, and 54 numbers from 1 to 13. It has 4 colors. And this is the main play pod. And we got 2 containers, like mini containers.
I really like it. Is this available now?
Yeah, it's available on Amazon or Shopify. So you can scan the QR code to get the product.
What's the price on it?
The retail price is $129.
Okay. And the name of it, RollingSeeds. It's available on Amazon. So you guys check out my Amazon reviews, and I'll see you guys.